HTML and CSS are the technologies that web developers use to build websites and web-based applications. HTML is a markup language, which allows students to specify what the computer should display on the screen. Most websites that you experience are built using HTML, and their design, or layout, is determined by CSS, which specifies the elements on a web page, colors, graphics, and animations. It's the foundational technology for the web. This course consists of 24 units that cover the basics of HTML and CSS. Students find this course really engaging because it allows them to build a website that matches their interests. We teach HTML, CSS using native code without any assistance from templates, tools, or components. Now, each lesson has a video that introduces a programming concept, exercises, quizzes, and as you progress, there are project steps where you build a website. There's even a built-in code checker to go ahead and check your exercises. And you work at your own pace, supported by an instructor, so you never feel pressured to move ahead too fast or that you're falling behind. Is this the right course for you? Well, are you 11 years of age? Have you completed UCode's Advanced Scratch or Coding for Kids? Are you creative? Do you love expressing yourself? If you answered yes, it's a great course for you. Hope to see you there.